Boys and girls, I want to talk to you about problem solving. We have to determine whether each problem requires an estimate or an exact answer. We've been practicing estimating. We've been practicing finding exact answers. But when we have to know when we need an exact and when we need an estimate. There are some words that can kind of give us hints, and right now you should be thinking of a clue word for an estimate. And I hope you were thinking about the word about. Usually if somebody says, about how many do you need? That's your clue that you're going to round. You're going to find about. But sometimes in life you need an exact answer. So we're going to try to determine what type of answer we need, exact or estimate, and then we're going to figure it out. So let's look here. Those are the directions that I just read. And we're going to look at our word problem, which starts right here. 3 buses can carry a total of 180 students. So in my brain, I'm going to draw my 3 buses, and the total of those 3 equals 180. I'm now visualizing that. Is there enough room on these 3 buses for 95 boys and 92 girls? Now we're trying to figure out if there is room on buses for children. So let's think, do we need to have about or exact? Well, let's think about situations where we need buses. When we go on a field trip, do we need to make sure each child has a seat to go on the field trip? Or should we just be like, that's about the right number. We'll see if everybody fits. Right, you want to make sure everybody has a seat. This is a time where we need an exact answer. So now we know we're not rounding, we're coming up with exact answers. So let's figure out 95 boys and 92 girls. We want to know how many boys and girls will be able to fit on this bus. So what would we do with the boys and the girls to figure out how many there are? Yeah, we want to go ahead and we want to add them. We're lining up our ones. 5 plus 2 is 7. 9 plus 9 is, do you know that fact? 18. So we have 187 boys and girls. And how much space do we have on those buses? Only enough for 180. So is there enough room? That's the question. Is there enough room? Yes or no? No, there is not enough room because how many children would be left standing by the side of the road? No, there are 7 too many children. Now, would an estimate work for this? No. Would you want to be like, oh, we thought it would work? You know, we kind of were like, it's about right. No, these 7 kids would be so sad if they didn't have a seat. This is a time we definitely need an exact answer.